just been to town, doing a little favour for a friend who needed to move something. So I used Moby and this great capacious boot. But I've noticed, just coming back in the gate there, that the indicators aren't doing anything. Now, I'd noticed that they'd gotten a little bit sluggish over the last couple of days. They just didn't seem to be quite the correct rhythm. So I had been around and checked the bulbs, and they were all okay, and the earth seemed fine. So but I've been driving these cars for a long time, and I have a suspicion that that's it's the relay for the indicators. So I'll pull off that. It's a little black box on the back of the fuse box, and I have a strong feeling it's that. I've had that probably with once in the kind of lifespan I've had each of my Kadetts over the years. So we'll pull that out, and we'll see. Hopefully that'll solve the problem. Luckily I have a spare one of these in the garage, so I'll just try swapping these over. Let's see if that works. Aha! Brilliant stuff. Cool. Now everyone will know where I think I'm going.